Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dynamite by Taio Cruz on piano. We will start by identifying the 4 essential chords: C major, G major, A minor, and F major. These are fundamental to the entire song. Focus on learning the correct finger placement for each chord and practice transitioning smoothly between them. This foundational step is crucial for building your confidence and rhythm. Next, let's focus on your left hand, which will provide the bass line and rhythm. For each chord, simply play the root note. For example, when playing C major, your left hand plays C. Keep a steady, consistent rhythm, perhaps playing one note per beat. This creates a solid foundation for the song and helps you keep time. Practice this until it feels natural and automatic. Now, let's bring in your right hand for the melody. The main melody for Dynamite is quite simple and memorable. Focus on playing single notes to outline the tune for both the verse and chorus sections. Start slowly, ensuring each note is accurate and timed correctly with the underlying chords. This step will really make the song recognizable and fun to play. Finally, it's time to combine both hands. Begin by playing very slowly, focusing on coordinating your left-hand chords with your right-hand melody. As you become more comfortable, gradually increase your tempo. Regular practice, even for just 10 or 15 minutes daily, will significantly improve your muscle memory and fluidity. Soon, you will be playing Dynamite with confidence and enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.